In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recreate video from text using OpenArt AI. We'll walk through the exact settings you need, explain what each option does, and share a few tips so your first render looks great without any guesswork. Start by opening your browser and heading to the OpenArt AI site. From the main suite, go into the video creation area. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so your settings and renders are saved. Once you're in, you'll see the animation tool where we'll set everything up. Begin by setting the start and end frame. Think of this as defining the motion window for your clip. A shorter range can create snappier motion, while a slightly longer range can feel more cinematic. If you plan to loop the video, keep the start and end visually compatible. Next, choose the text with reference option. This lets you guide the generation with a reference image or frame while still driving the scene with your written prompt. It's a great way to lock in character look, color palette, or composition while letting the AI handle movement and details. Now, pick your model. Each model is tuned a bit differently for style, realism, and motion coherence. If you're not sure where to start, select a general purpose option first. You can always switch and compare later to see which model best matches your concept. In the prompt field, describe your video clearly. Focus on subject, action, setting, style, and camera feel. Short, specific phrases tend to work better than long, complex sentences. Mention lighting or mood if it matters, and avoid conflicting instructions that can dilute results. Set your sound effect preferences. You can keep it silent, add ambient sound, or choose effects that complement the scene. If you plan to add music in editing, a clean export without sound can make mixing easier later. Choose the mode that fits your goal. Some modes lean into creative variation, while others prioritize consistency with your reference. If matching the look is critical, pick the more faithful option. If you want experimentation, pick the more exploratory one. Configure your output. Select the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration that match where you'll publish. Square or vertical is great for social feeds. Widescreen fits presentations and video platforms. Higher resolutions look sharper but take longer to render. Decide on your batch size. More batches generate multiple variations at once, which is ideal for quick comparisons, but it will use more credits and time. Starting small is efficient when you're still dialing in the prompt. Finally, click Generate. Watch the progress, then preview your video. If something feels off, tweak the prompt, mode, or frames, and generate again until you're happy with the result.